Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Salma Ramadhani. I'm from Biology Education 2024 at Education University of Indonesia. On this video, I will invite you to learn about the structure and function of plants. And let's get started.
Plants come in all different shapes and sizes, but they all share several structural features. Have you ever wondered what makes a plant unique, or how different plant parts work together to keep it alive? In this lesson, you will learn about the structural features of plants, including their roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. By the end, you will understand how each part plays a vital role in a plant's survival and reproduction. Now, think back to your last meal. Did you eat something that came from a plant? Maybe a carrot, rice, or a piece of fruit? All these come from different parts of a plant. Let's look at the general plant structure and discover how each part contributes to its life cycle. Plants have a root system which serves to absorb mineral ions, nutrients, and water from the soil. It's also there to anchor the plant down and stop it from falling over. The shape of this root system can be fibrous, as in monocotyledon, or there may be one central taproot, as in dicotyledon. It will also depend on the habitat of the plant and the availability of water. Carrot and ginger, for example, are plant roots that we eat. The next part is the stem. The stem can vary greatly in size and shapes. Think of the difference between a cactus and a tree trunk. This part supports the above-ground part of the plant, and it is through the stem that substances are moved to where they are needed. Sucrose and amino acids are transported in the phloem, and water and minerals move up through the xylem. The xylem has a substance called lignin, which helps keep the stem upright. Stems are mostly found above the ground, but some plants have underground stems. Potatoes and yuccas are actually part of a swollen underground stem. Let's learn about the leaves now. The leaves are where photosynthesis happens in the chloroplast of the cells. The plants make their own food, like glucose. The leaves are where the plant exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide with the air and release water vapor. Stomata are holes in the leaves that allow this gas to diffuse in and out. This is why you often see clouds forming over forests. The final plant part that we are going to learn about is the flower. Try to think why plants make flowers. Now, not all plants do make flowers, but those that do use them for reproduction. Pollen is produced and this fertilizes the ovule. Pollen is transferred from one flower to another by pollinators such as insect, hummingbird, or the wind. Insect-pollinated flowers usually have colorful petals. It is so they can attract the insect. Insects visit flowers to drink the nectar, a sugary substance produced in the nectar. Sepals protect the bud when the flower is developing. Flowers have both male and female parts. The ovary develops into the fruit and the plant is pollinated. Inside the ovary are ovules, which become the seed. The style connects the ovary to the stigma. The stigma usually has sticky substance, so the pollen a pollinator is carrying gets deposited there. The female part of the plant together are called a pistil. The male part of the flower is the stamen. The anther is where pollen is produced, and the filament hold the anther up. So, in this lesson, you have learned about the different structure of a plant. You should now be able to identify and describe the roots, stems, leaves, and flower of a plant. Okay, guys, thank you for learning with me. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumb up and subscribe for more content. Have any question? Drop them in the comment. See you in the next lesson.